Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Daikin AC remote suddenly stops responding, it can make controlling your air conditioner feel impossible, especially when you need quick adjustments for temperature or mode. This issue can show up without warning, and many people assume the remote is completely faulty, but that's not always the case. In most situations, the problem is caused by simple factors like weak batteries, signal blockage, sensor issues, or minor internal glitches that can be fixed in just a few minutes. Once you go through the right process, you can usually get your remote working again without needing a replacement. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Daikin AC remote and restore full control smoothly. Try these. 1. Remove the old batteries and insert new ones in the correct direction. 2. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to reset the remote. 3. Point the remote directly at the AC unit and remove any obstacles in between. 4. Clean the remote sensor and AC receiver area to remove dust. 5. Check the remote signal using your phone camera to confirm it is sending signals. 6. Turn off the AC from the main power. Wait a minute and turn it back on.